Use this sound if you have fidget. Show your favorite fidget.
Show your least favorite fidget.
Show your stretchiest fidget.
Show a DIY fidget.
Show a textured fidget.
Show your loudest fidget.
Show a fidget you don't think a lot of people have.
Show a fidget that gets dirty.
Show a fidget you don't think exactly is a fidget but kinda is a fidget.
Show your biggest fidget.
Show a fidget you bring everywhere.
Show a fidget that everyone likes but you don't really like.
Tour of all of my fidgets. I haven't done one of these in so long. First drawer. This is where I keep all of my dimples, and as you can see, I have a lot. And then on the side, I have a ton of pop tubes, as well as some monkey noodles and zippy bracelets in the back. This section of the drawer is super messy, but it has some of my favorite fidgets like the snappers, and tangles, and balloony pets. The second drawer is all of my poppets. I reorganized them by shape. They used to be in rainbow order. Circle poppets, square poppets, heart poppets, and then octagon poppets. On to the second row, which is animals, foods, and then a bunch of random shapes. And then, of course, the mini poppets, which are squeezed in between. I keep all of my jumbo poppets in this box because, as you can see, they are huge. The last drawer is my stress balls, and if you know me, you know I love stress balls. Dough balls and Orbeez stress balls are some of my favorite fidgets. Lastly is my mochi bin. Fidget trading with my sister. We're going to be trading in our favorite colors. My favorite color is green, and her favorite color is black and white. Also, this video is a collab with Legit Fidget Trades. They make awesome fidget trading videos with their dad. I don't know what to trade first, so which one are you interested in?
I really like that water snake.
Okay, what will you give me for this water snake?
What about this block snake?
Can you add something small?
How about I add this simple dimple?
That's a deal. Can I offer for your panda egg?
You betcha.
I will give you this T-Rex poppet, this turtle poppet, this tangle that glows up when you touch it, and this Neato.
You're so over. Deal.
This panda squishy's so cute. What will you give me for all of these green fidgets?
I'll give you all of these black and white fidgets and these 2 acupressure rings.
That seems like a pretty fair trade.
What for this black snapper and these 2 panda mochis?
These 2 things?
Yes!
We have a problem. I have way too many poppets, and my sister has way too many dimples. And since we're kind of getting bored of the fidgets we have, we thought it would be a good idea to trade. My sister is going to offer first.
Okay, I'll give you 4 of the original simple dimples.
I'll give you 2 cactus poppets and 2 mini poppets for those simple dimples.
Deal.
I have 3 of the ABC poppets, so what will you give me for those 3?
I'll give you 3 triple dimples.
I don't like that one. Can I have the marble one instead?
Ugh, whatever.
You took your triple dimple back. Can I have it?
Sure.
Thanks, I guess.
Can I have that big rainbow poppet for this dimple duo?
I really like this big rainbow poppet, but sure.
What for this glow-in-the-dark simple dimple?
Bunny?
No.
Car poppet? Yes! Fidget trading with my sister continued. I'm going to be trading poppets, and she's going to be trading dimples.
I don't really like this, so what will you give me?
I'll give you this really good heart poppet.
Ugh. What? This sucks.
Okay, fine. I'll give you, this red mini poppet instead.
Oh, that's a way better deal.
What will you give me for this crab poppet, this duck poppet, this turtle poppet, and this bunny poppet? By the way, you can find some really cool poppets and dimples from infinitefidgets.com. If you want to get a really nice poppet or a dimple, the link will be in my bio.
Wow. I'll give you the simple digits.
Can you add?
Fine. I'll add 2 black and white simple dimples.
And I will accept.
I already have a dimple, so what will you give me for this?
I'll give you a blue poppet and 2 mini poppets.
Deal.
Fidget trading with my sister. I know this isn't a fidget, but what will you give me for this burrito squishmallow?
Ew, that's so ugly, but I guess I'll give you 1 monkey noodle.
Rude. Okay, fine. What will you give me for 2 blue pop tubes?
I'll give you this dimple.
Oh, you're so over, yes. What will you give me for these 2 poppets, this Orbeez stress ball, this fidget pad, this bike chain, and this puzzle ball?
Wait, OMG, where did you get those?
I got all of these awesome fidgets from Fidget Warehouse, and they're actually having a 50% sale on their entire website right now. Go click the link in my bio to Fidget Warehouse if you want to get yourself a really great quality fidget for a great price.
Those are so good. I'll give you my dimple duo.
Can you add something?
Fine, I'll add these 2 balloony pets.
Yes.
Give me something for this Poppet phone case and this Tangle.
Would you do the trade for this DNA ball, this Shaggy Monkey Noodle, and this Orbeez mesh ball?
Deal.
Oh my. Mall Fidget Haul. From the Poppet stand, I got this guitar poppet. They actually let us touch all the poppets, and this one was definitely my favorite. And it's loud on both sides. And from this store called Burlington, I found these 2 poppets for only $4.99. Usually 1 poppet is like $7 or $8, so this was such a good deal. Let's open them up. Here they are. The pink circle poppet. Okay, quiet side. Oh my gosh. And the blue square poppet. Whoa. This one's so nice. For only being $5, these are so worth it. And from Mind Games, I got Specs. This feels amazing. Lastly, I got a Squishmallow gummy. Bye! Haul of all the fidgets and Squishmallows I got at Five Below and Hallmark. I'm going to start with Hallmark. I wanted to buy all the Squishmallows, but they were kind of pricey, so I had to pick my 2 favorites. I got Dustin the Dalmatian, and he is 12 inches, and Katya the Koala, and she is 8 inches. And the last thing I got from Hallmark is this orange swirl Neato. This is the prettiest Neato I've ever seen. It reminds me of the planet Jupiter, and it's really nice. I'm literally so obsessed with this Neato. And from Five Below, I got these Orbeez fruits. I wasn't going to get this, but since it was only $5, I decided to get it. And I love Orbeez stress balls so much, so let's open it. Okay, but can we appreciate how nicely packaged this is? I already have a strawberry Orbeez fruit, so I'm going to save this one for the giveaway. First is the blueberry, and it's so nice. This is the grape, watermelon, and these pineapples, which are my favorite. Hey guys, Flashy Fidget sent me another fidget package. They're having a giveaway right now where they're giving away some awesome fidgets. To enter, you need to follow them and tag 3 friends on their giveaway video. Plus, the first 10 people to order from their fidget shop will get 20 extra entries into the giveaway. Link in bio to shop. The first thing in this package is this Orbeez stress ball. This is so fun. Orbeez stress balls are some of my favorite fidgets. Next, we had this huge heart poppet. The colors are so pretty. Guys, look how cool it also glows in the dark. The next poppet is this pineapple. This one has amazing pops. And of course, the crab poppet. The pops on this one are so good. 100% recommend these. The last thing they included is this flip fidget. It's such good quality. Hey guys! As some of you may know, Pop Fidget sent me these awesome Simple Dimples before, and now they sent me more of their really affordable fidgets that they sell on their website. You can also use the discount code SHARXFidgets for 10% off your purchase. And if you do want to buy from them, the link will be in my bio. The first thing that I'm going to open is this yellow flower poppet. This side is so fun to pop. And this is the quieter side. This reminds me of a sunflower. Next is this mesh ball, and I am so excited for this. I have been wanting one of these, and they're so fun to squish. I will definitely be using this for school. Look how pretty these marble mesh colors are. I love this light blue one. This is the Balloony Pets, and it's the pony one. This is adorable. These are the last few things in the box. We have this awesome simple dimple, a big red bike chain, some mochis, and 3 awesome acupressure rings. Fidget trading with my sister, but the wheel picks what color fidgets we should trade. So I'm going to be trading pink fidgets. And my sister's going to be trading yellow fidgets. Now that we have all of our fidgets...